Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another exciting, egg crash test car event. Our next engineer we have here is Dua. Dua, tell the viewing audience a little bit about the design, the construction of your egg crash test car.
I made it mostly out of cardboard, and then I added straws in between the walls and rubber bands around it to secure the egg in place. And then I also have a crumble zone in the front.
Okay, very good. So do you think this car is going to be successful? And how long did it take you to build this car?
About 4 classes.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, we're going to let Dua go over here and test her egg crash test car. I'll move out the way so you can see it. All right, check the contents of the egg crash. All right, it's not cracked. Very good. Cut.